This is All India Radio Shillong, the Northeast News Bulletin, read by Miranda Blah. In the wake of COVID-19, we appeal to our listeners not to lower their guard, take all precautions, and all those above 45 years of age who have taken the first dose of COVID-19 vaccine to get vaccinated with the second dose at the scheduled time. Stay safe and protected by following these 3 simple steps: wear a face mask, maintain 2 gaj ki दूरी for social distancing, focus on hand and face hygiene. National helplines are operational for providing COVID-related information and guidance to the people. The national helpline number is 011-2397-8046 and 1075, and the helpline for Meghalaya is 108 and 1070. And now the news in detail. The Meghalaya government has decided to allow 15% of public transport to operate in Shillong and 30% in the outskirts of East Khasi Hills from Monday. Meghalaya Health Minister A.L. Haque informed that the decision was taken in line with the High Court order. He further stated that taxi operators will have to display their vaccination certificate in their vehicle. As of now, no buses will be allowed to operate. Health Minister also informed that restaurants and hotels will be allowed to open, but only for home deliveries and takeaways. In the rural areas, hotels and tea shops will be allowed to open, but cannot serve food inside the tea stalls. The Navy team yesterday afternoon retrieved the 3rd body of the coal miners trapped inside the coal mines at Krem Ule, Umpleng in East Jaintia Hills. The NDRF, SDRF, SRT and personnel from the district administration assisted the Navy team in retrieving the dead body from the main shaft. Confirming this, Deputy Commissioner Ethelbert Karmalki informed that the inquest had been conducted by the executive magistrate at the spot and the dead body was being transported to Cleriot Civil Hospital morgue for the post-mortem. In the ongoing fight against the sharp rise of COVID-19 and to serve for any other purposes at the time of emergency for sufficient availability of oxygen to meet the requirement in the state, the Nongmali Infra Private Limited from Ribhoi district of Meghalaya has now introduced portable oxygen being imported from Korea. The brand name of the oxygen being imported from the government of Korea is christened as Dr. Oxygen, and this is easier to use for the patients and also cheaper than any other oxygen cylinder which is still in use during this fight against the COVID-19 disease. With an aim to maintain quality education under the School for Garthansi mission, Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Singh yesterday distributed free school uniforms for students of government and aided schools of the state. The distribution function was organized by Sangma Gra Silksha Manipur at its office campus located at Babupura, Imphal. The Chief Minister also distributed items including K-Yan system projector, sports equipments, blankets and cooking utensils among others through the concerned zonal education officers of different districts. The ICAR Research Complex for Northeastern Hill Region, Umyam, Meghalaya, organized a 2-day online training program for pig farmers of the northeastern region of India under Biotech Kisan program. The Biotech Kisan or Krishi Innovation Science Application Network program, sponsored by the Department of Biotechnology, Ministry of Science and Technology, has been identified as one of the important activities for showcasing during Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav India at 75 celebrations, meaning the celebration of the 75th anniversary of Indian independence. More than 250 pig farmers of 8 aspirational districts of 8 northeastern states benefited through this 2 days online training program. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will share his thoughts with the people in the country and abroad in the Mann Ki Baat program on All India Radio on the 27th of this month. It will be the 78th episode of the monthly radio program. The Prime Minister has invited people to share their ideas on topics he should address on the coming episodes of the program. People can share their views in the Namo app or MyGov open forum. They can also dial the toll-free number 1800-117800 and record their message for the Prime Minister in either Hindi or English. People can also give a missed call on 1922 and follow the link received in SMS to directly give their suggestions to the Prime Minister. And with that, we end the Northeast News Bulletin, which came to you from the Shillong station of All India Radio. Have a nice day.